Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wix Studio step by step clearly. To register with Wix Studio, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.wix.com and press enter. Once the Wix homepage loads, locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements. Next, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may be asked to choose between signing up with your Google or Facebook account. If you prefer to use one of these options, simply click on the respective button. Otherwise, if you are using your email, follow the prompts to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Wix. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will direct you back to the Wix platform. Once verified, you will be taken to a welcome page. Here, you'll be asked a few questions about your website needs. Answer the questions to help Wix tailor your experience. After completing the questionnaire, click Continue to proceed. You will then be directed to a selection of templates. Browse through the options to find a template that suits your style. Once you have chosen a template, click on it to start editing. Now, you are officially registered and ready to design your website with Wix Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.